In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io with LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to boost your sales outreach or streamline your networking efforts, integrating Apollo.io with LinkedIn can be a powerful tool. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser. Feel free to use any browser you like, but since the Apollo.io extension integrates seamlessly with Chrome, that's what we'll be focusing on here. Once your browser is open, head over to your favorite search engine and type in Apollo.io extension. This will help you find the correct extension page quickly. Now, look for the Apollo.io extension in the search results. It's usually listed as Apollo.io Sales Intelligence. That's what you want. Click on the link that leads you to the Chrome Web Store, where you can download and install various browser extensions. Once you're there, you'll notice a blue button labeled Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click it. After you click Add to Chrome, a pop-up will appear on your screen. This pop-up is just seeking your confirmation to add the extension to your browser. Click on Add Extension, and the installation process will begin. The Apollo.io extension will now be installed automatically. Once the installation is complete, you might be wondering if it has been installed correctly. To verify, head over to your browser's toolbar. You'll see an icon that typically looks like a puzzle piece. Click on it, and it will show a list of all your installed extensions. Within that list, you should be able to spot the Apollo logo, confirming that the extension is ready for use. Great. Now it's time to hop over to LinkedIn. Go ahead and open a new tab, navigate to the LinkedIn website, and log in if you haven't already. Once logged in, select a profile you're interested in. This could be a potential client, a colleague you wish to connect with, or even just someone whose content you're curious about. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice the Apollo icon now nestled beside the other tools and options. Click on that Apollo icon. With the Apollo.io extension integrated into LinkedIn, you now have multiple powerful features at your disposal. You can easily add new contacts to specific lists, perfect for organizing your clientele or industry contacts. Need to network more efficiently? Use the extension to send out connection requests or messages right from LinkedIn. Plus, you can conduct in-depth profile views and even automate specific tasks to maximize your efficiency. And that's it! You've successfully integrated Apollo.io with LinkedIn, and you're ready to make the most out of your professional networking efforts.